In this video, I will show you how to use filters when you are live in Instagram. Let's go to Insta and click this camera icon. At the bottom, you can find live. Click this one, and you can start your live session by clicking this button directly, and then you can switch it to the filters. So I'm live now. I can in the bottom here you can find a single smiley face. Click this one, and from here you can switch to these filters. You can see there are some filters being applied. I'm not sure whether you can see this person be- because you can't see him. You can see that the filter is live now and I'm live, uh, and I can switch between multiple filters in my live session. You can either go live and switch filters, or you can start your live session by clicking the filters. Let me show you how. Go to live, and before going live you can select your filter. So I click this filter, and now if I click this button, right from the beginning I will have the filter. You can see right from the beginning I'm having this dog filter, and then I can go back and I can switch to what other filter that I like. If I don't want to this dog filter, I will can always go back to the original one. You can see this sign where it doesn't have any filters, so I can always go back to the first one. So this is about filters for live video in Instagram. So please like this video if this was helpful. Thank you.